we got taken care about in understanding with the very first thing we got taken care about in understanding with why testing required. So we need to be get taking care about in understanding that why testing has been required. In the same way, we need to be get take care about in understanding that as a tester, what exactly that particular roles and responsibilities need to be done. Assume that as a fresher level or taking with experience level, what exactly that particular roles and responsibilities need to be done. That is what we need to be get taking care of it. I mean, we need to be get very clear about what exactly that particular tester need to be done as part of that particular real time or as part of fresher level or taking with experience level, what exactly that particular tester need to be done, that we need to be get clear on that. Since that we got taking care about the very first part in understanding that why exactly that particular testing has been required. In that, right. So the one we need to be get understanding that why exactly that particular testing has been required. In that, what is the first point we got? If I'm taking this, why testing has been required? What is the first point in that? To provide quality of the product. So for the purpose of taking care about in providing with the quality of the product, we need to take care about that particular testing. I mean, the very first reason and taking with the very most important reason why the testing has been required, considering that to get provide quality of the product. The target, it's not like just we can say that software has been completed. How quality it has been delivered, that will be taking with the very most important one. Because of that, to get take care about and delivering with a very quality of the product, testing has been mandatory in this particular current market. Taking with the second reason. What is the second reason? To perform development activities and testing activities at the same time. Meaning of the same time? Parallelly. So nothing but from the day one of the project. Once project has been started, from the day one of the project, rather than taking care about and doing with step by step, we need to take care about in implementing in parallel from day one of that particular project. From day one of that particular project, need to take care about that particular respective development activities at the same time taking care about the respective testing activities. As simple as we need to take care about in performing both the activities in parallel. What is the third reason? Possibility of identifying the issues in starting stages. Meaning of starting stages? As early as possible. I mean, as a tester, we have to take care about, we need to think that in the way of identifying maximum issues in the starting stages. Not like just in one day, we can't take care about in testing with the whole application in just one particular day. But as a tester, we have to think about and seeing the possibility of identifying the maximum issues in the starting stages. These three are a very top reasons and very most important reasons why testing has been required or why tester has been required in this particular respective current market. And continued with the same, if I'm taking with related to this particular testing or related to this particular tester roles and responsibilities, definitely we can take care about in expecting with different type of questions. In that, what is the first question you written? The first question you written yesterday. What is it? Explain tester roles and responsibilities. What is the second question? Explain tester day-to-day activities. What is the third question? Explain job role of project. I mean, if I'm taking with this particular questions, how many questions I got? How many questions I got? 3 questions. How many answers we have? How many answers we have? Only one particular answer. I mean, if I'm taking with that particular respective interview, definitely I can take care about in having with different type of question. The way of asking with the question will make you different from one interviewer to another interviewer. So need to be get very clear about and taking care about understanding what exactly that particular question is related to. So when you are taking care about and explaining with the answers or giving with the answers, please take care about in explaining with the answers with the help of project perspective. Not like just in a question and answer you are explaining. You guys need to take care about having with the practice of with the respective of the project. You need to be get comfortable in explaining. As an example, what is the first activity of tester? Understanding the requirements of project. That is first activity and the main activity of the tester job role. As a tester, it's mandatory that we have to take care about in test with application. If you want to test the application, it's mandatory that we guys need to be get very clear in understanding what exactly the requirements of that application. This point, when you're explaining in front of interviewer, it's not like just you are reading or you are explaining to the interviewer saying that tester has to take care about understanding the requirement. The answer is correct. He has to understand the correct. But the way of explanation is the very most important. Rather than in simple saying that understanding the requirement, you can explain to the interviewer saying that interviewer, I got a chance of working in the project. As part of that project, I used to take care about different type of requirement documents. So the first activity we done is taking care about in understanding with requirements. I mean, the answer what you are explaining is correct, but you guys need to make the practice of in explaining with the respective of project level. The conclusion is the way of the answer you are giving, the interviewer has to be understood. He got in a practical knowledge or he got in a real-time knowledge related to that particular project. In that level, you have to take care about in doing with the practice of that particular explanation. Not only the first point, whatever the points I got, and not only all these points, the way of any questions you are getting, you guys need to take care about in explaining with the respective of project level, then only it will make you very easy and getting clearing with interviews. Just in simple, if explain like question and answer, it will not be easy to get clear your interviews here. Because of that, from the day one itself, take care about that particular kind of practice. So in that, as part of our understanding as a tester or as a test engineer job role, first we need to take care about an understanding with requirements. Once we got understand the requirements, taking care about and preparing with test scenarios. What is the meaning of test scenarios? First level of documentation. Just for now, what is mean by that? In detail, you will understand. Just for now, you can understand that the meaning of test scenarios are nothing but first level of documentation. In the same way, we got in a test cases which we can consider the second level of the documentation. Test scenarios, we can consider the first level of the documentation. Test cases, we can consider the second level of documentation. That means as a tester, as part of manual testing, as part of manual testing, the documentation will be playing a very important role. We need to take care about in documenting all the required things according to that project. That means we have to take care about in preparing with test scenario document and preparing with test cases document. The test scenarios, we can say that first level of the documentation. Test cases, we can say that second level of documentation. Once test cases are ready, what is the next activity? Taking care about execution. As the documentation is completed, as the test cases are ready, we have to take care about the important activity of in executing that particular test cases. Once we got take care about in executing the test cases, once we got taking care about in executing that particular test cases, as part of execution, we have to come up with in saying that how many test cases has been passed and how many test cases has been failed. I mean, as a tester, we have to come up with in preparing with that kind of test results. All these things need to taken care by tester only. As a tester, it's mandatory that we have to take care about in preparing with all these particular test results. I mean, while doing execution as a tester, you have to identify that and you have to prepare the report of how many test cases passed and how many test cases fail. In case of pass, no issues at all, no worries about at all. But in case of fail, in case of fail, in case of fail, we have to take care about in reporting that particular issue. Nothing but you have to take care about defect reporting, or we can say that bug reporting. Any functionality or any test case has been failed, we have to take care about in reporting that particular bug, or reporting that particular defect. It's not like just taking care about only reporting. Along with that bug reporting or defect reporting, what need to be done? Tracking. You have to take care about defect reporting, defect tracking, and the defect retest. You have to take care about in doing the activities of the defect reporting, tracking, and retesting. All these activities need to be get taken care by tester only. I mean, as part of your tester job in the real time, you need to be get comfortable taking care about in performing all these particular activities. Along with that, you have to take care about in involving performing different types of testing. In the same way, you have to take care about in preparing with different type of status report. What kind of status reports? What kind of status reports? The one we can mention, DSR. Meaning of DSR? What is it? Daily status report. And another one, WSR. Meaning of WSR? Weekly status report. Another one, MSR, monthly status report. So as a tester, we have to take care about how we can implement these different type of status reports. Along with that, taking care about in attending with different kind of meetings as part of that particular real time. As part of that particular real time, we need to take care about in attending with different kind of meetings. In the same way, taking care about in involving automation testing. That means as a tester, always it is mandatory that need to be get comfortable to work as manual testing and to work on automation testing. The only manual testing is not at all enough. In the same way, the only automation testing also is not at all enough. It's mandatory that we have to take care about in doing the activities of manual testing and automation testing. Either you can attend with tester interviews as a fresher level or experience level. You can go with as a fresher level or taking with experience level. It's mandatory that you have to give impression to the interviewer in saying that you have been more comfortable to work on manual testing at the same time to work on automation testing. So this is what exactly the job role or day-to-day activities or real-time job role in project. So once you guys gotten a job as a tester, at any cost, you have to take care about in performing all these activities here. Because of that reason, how comfortable you are in taking care about all these things. Definitely, the interviewer will ask a question about the tester roles and responsibilities. So when you want to explain in front of interviewer, it depends on the way of practice you are doing in the project. If we are taking care about performing each and every activity in project as part of training program, if we got take care about practicing with each and every point on project, the same project it can take care about and explain the interviewer. It can get in a confidence, it can take care about in explaining that you done with the project as part of the project. You got to understand the requirement, prepare the scenarios, prepare the test case, execute the test case, preparing the results, reporting the bugs, anything. So what are all the things you've done in the project? You need to be becoming a comfortable in explaining in front of interviewer. So because of that, you guys need to take care about the way of you are practicing on the project. How to practice, that I will explain. Still we have not started our project testing. Once we start our project testing, each and every particular point in a very detail, you'll get understand. Just for now, be very clear what exactly the job role of tester as part of real time, what exactly tester need to be done. So this is what our very first activity, taking care about test engineer responsibilities. So from the test engineer, what is the next level you can get? What is the next level you can get? Taking with senior software test engineer. So we can consider the test engineer, or we can say the tester and considering the senior tester. So if I'm taking with senior tester, he has to take care about in performing all the activities of test engineer. As a senior tester, he has to take care about in performing all the activities of test engineer. Along with that, taking care about the extra activity of reviews. The extra activity the senior tester need to be take care about in involving in the reviews, because as you are clearly saying that senior tester he need to be take care about in involving taking care about the reviews of test scenarios, test cases, or taking with defects. He has to take care about in doing all that particular review activity. Along with that, need to take care about in providing some particular inputs related to that particular test plan. In the same way, need to take care about working as a backup for test lead. In case of the test lead is not available, in case of the test lead is not available, the senior tester need to take care about that particular respective activities. So this is what taking care about the job role of the tester and taking with the job role of senior tester here. So once we got work as a tester and once you work as senior tester, then you can take care about promoted into the next level. What is the next level? What is the next level? After senior tester, what is the next level? Taking with test lead. Working as a tester and working as a senior tester, the similar job roles will be there. That is what your main training program. As part of this particular training program, you will get comfortable to work as a tester and to get work as senior tester. In the same way, in case of test lead, what need to be done? If I'm taking with the test lead, what need to be done? We need to be get comfortable on that. So let's understand what exactly that particular job role of test lead. So just take care about the new heading, mention the test lead responsibilities. Just write with the very new heading, mention the test lead responsibilities and make a note of all these particular points. All the online students also, please take care about writing with the new heading, mention the test lead responsibilities and then make a note of all these particular roles and responsibilities. Please take care about each and every point. Don't get skip with the points. The same thing you guys need to be get comfortable. The same thing you guys need to be get comfortable in explaining in front of interviewer. So please take care about each and every particular point. Write with the new heading. Write with the new heading. Test lead responsibilities. Test lead responsibilities and then make a note of each and every particular point. Just take care about each and every particular point. All the online students also, all that particular online students also, please take care about that particular each and every particular point. I'll explain. Just make a note of all that particular respective points. All the online students also, please take care about each and every particular respective point. Good. Okay. Online students, is it done? All the online students, is that everyone is done? Please take care about all that particular respective points. Okay. Right. So let's understand that what exactly this particular test lead need to be done, or once you are working as a test lead, what exactly the job role need to take care about it. The conclusion of all the points. The conclusion of all these particular points, taking care about two things here. The one we can say that preparing with test plan. What is it? Preparing with test plan. The two main job roles of test lead. The two main job roles of test lead, we can say that preparing test plan. That is the main one. And the second activity, taking care about in handling with other team. The one activity, preparing the test plan. Another activity in handling with other team. The same, it has been provided in the different points. See the first point. What exactly the first point? The task preparation and allocating to team members. That means as simple as you guys has been taking care about doing the training program. Why you are doing this training program? Why you are doing this training program? What is that? What is that? I'm not getting any voice, guys. Today is Friday, right? Weekends also no energy. Yeah? At least Monday means that is okay. Hangover will be there because of Sunday. But this is Friday, right? More activeness need to be there, right? Tomorrow session will be there. Tomorrow session will be there. Even online students also. The sessions will be continued from Monday to Saturday. By default, you can consider that my sessions will be continued Monday to Saturday. Sunday will get one holiday, biryani holiday will be there. You can take the biryani, no issues at all. But Monday to Saturday, the sessions will be continued. So tomorrow the session will be there. So regularly it will be continued. So please take care about with the plans according to that here. So if I'm taking this training program, what is this training program? What is this training program? Still no energy, guys. So we are taking with the training program of software testing. So why you are doing the training program? Why you are doing the training program? To get, what is it? For the purpose of getting the job, you are taking care about doing the training program. Okay. Assume that you got in a job. Definitely you will get in a job. There is no chance of you will not get in a job on testing. Testing is one of the very easiest training program. If you are taking with the practice, if you are taking with the plan in the very perfect way, very easily you can get with the job on testing. Okay. Now assume that you got in a job as a tester. Once he got in a job as a tester, what he will do? If he got in a job as a tester, what he will do? Testing job he will do. If he got in a job as a tester, the very first activity you have to take care about in going to the office. Yes or no, guys? He'll go for office or he'll stay in hostel only. Hostel is very good, sir. Tiffin also very good, sir. Will stay in only hostel. No, sir. So once he got in a job, you have to take care about in going for office. Okay, very perfect. Assume that He got in a job. He started going to the office. Once he go to the office, in office, what he will do? In office, what he will do? First, we'll go for cafeteria, sir. After that, we'll think about it, sir. Water bottle. Right. So it shall be taking with, if I'm taking with this particular one, once I start going to the office, that first I'll go to the cafeteria. I'll take some break. Then I'll think about what need to be done. After the break, so I'll come down your laptop, your seat, and then I'll start thinking about what exactly need to be done in that particular office. As a tester, by default, you will not be knowing that what exactly the work you have to do it. Because of that, according to that particular testing project, according to that particular real time, for that project, your test lead, it will come up with in preparing the task for each and every tester. So tester 1 need to work on this. Tester 2 taking care about in working on this. Tester 3 need to take care about in working on this. That means that is what exactly the job role of the test lead. He has to take care about, he has to take care about in having with, he has to take care about in preparing with tasks for each and every team member. It's not like just preparing. Either he need to drop an email or the test lead has to conduct the meeting and need to explain to each and every team members what exactly their activities need to be done. That means if I'm taking with the tester, by default, you are not knowing that what exactly the work you have to do it. Because of that, that activity taking care by, that activity taking care by that particular test lead. What test lead will do is, he will take care about in coming up with, in preparing each and every particular task for the individual tester. Not like just preparing the task. He will assign to each and every team member, saying that, so tester 1, you can work on scenarios. Tester 2, work on another activity. As simple as in the office, as a tester, what needs to be done? That information you are getting from test lead. So that is what the main job role of the test lead. So as a test lead, he was taking care about in preparing with the task and assigning to that particular respective team member. That is what the test lead has been taking care about in doing that activity. And the second activity, what is the second activity? Second activity, training team members. But what kind of training? What kind of training? Software testing already provided by Suresh sir. Again, your test lead will not give you any software testing training. Don't expect that. That is what previously I clearly explained. This current market is totally different. In this particular current market, don't expect like again you will be getting with the training once you enter into the IT job. Once you enter into the IT job, you guys need to take care about ready to work on the project. That level of preparation, that level of knowledge, you have to gain it. So if I'm taking with training team members, training means not like software testing training. It will take care about in giving with the training, the project you have to work, because it's not like always you will be working with the same project. So according to that particular time, once you join in the company, at that particular time, what exactly the project you have to work in that particular project, what are the activities you have to do it, that particular thing, that particular training provided by that particular test lead. So test lead taking care about in giving with the training, but that particular training not like software testing training. So that particular training, it's related to that particular project. Guys, we will be having this QR scanner code will be there. After completion of the session, just you can take care about to have that particular scanning that code, and you have to update your fee receipt and everything. By that, you will get added to that particular Google Classroom. Just take care about it. After the class, just take care about that. See that. So if I'm taking with this particular test lead, the test lead has been taking care about in giving with the training with the respective of project level. Along with that, what is the next point you got? Team management. So that particular team management, I can say that handling with that particular whole team. That white color shirt person, very busy from the starting of the session. Wait. You need to avoid the mobiles. In case of girlfriend is there, inform to girlfriend also. Please avoid the mobiles. In case of girlfriends are there, clearly inform to them you are attending the Suresh sir class here. In case they are not accepting it, they are saying that need to message, need to respond, say that breakup. No issues at all. So just say that immediately breakup, no worries about it all here. Okay. First, we have to take care about the job. After that, all the things I will get. So please take care about all that particular plans here. Please avoid the mobiles in the classroom. You came for learning the subject. You have to learn the subject. My eyes are too dangerous. My eye contact will be there up to the last person here. I can easily understand that what are the things you are doing in the classroom. I can give you the information what you are doing in your hostel also. That kind of network I'm having in Amirpet. Maybe you are very new to the Amirpet, but I'm not a new. I was there in Amirpet last from 2006. 2006, I'm staying in Amirpet. Still, I was in Amirpet. Even my flat also in Amirpet only. I can give you all your timetable also. So please take care about in learning the subject once you enter into the classroom. Please avoid all other activities. Please have all that particular respective plans before entering into the classroom. Okay. What happened? Any doubt in there? No, right? Girlfriend discussion, sir. No girlfriend discussion, right? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Break. You have to take the breakup only. If they are not accepting, no worries at all. Directly say the breakup only. Say that you are attending the Suresh sir session here. Okay. See the concept. So as part of the test lead, the main activity, the task preparation and assigning to the team member and taking care about training the team members and then taking care about the team management. So the test lead has to take care about in handling with all that particular team. Over the testers or their 6 members, 10 members, according to that project. According to that particular project, over that particular team members or there need to take care about in handling with all that particular team members. Along with that, the test lead need to take care about in doing the review of test scenarios and test cases. That particular review previously already done by senior tester. Senior tester already taking care about doing the review of test scenarios and test cases only. So this is, you can consider the first level of the review. If I'm taking with this particular senior tester, whatever the review he was doing, you can understand like first level of the review. If I'm taking the test lead, you can understand that taking care about the second level of the review. Now you can understand why the testing has been required. If we take with first point, what is the first point you mentioned? Why testing required? What is the first point? To provide quality of the product. You may get in a doubt, sir, how we can say that we are delivering the quality of the product? That is the reason, as part of the tester, you can see that test engineer, senior tester taking the first review, one level of the review. In case of anything missed out, it will identify. After that, taking with one more level of the review, taking care by test lead. If required, manager also will take with the review. So having with different level of reviews, we can make sure that we have been taking care about doing with in a very correct way and confirming that all the things has been tested. That is how the test lead has been taking care about and doing with the review that will be taking with test scenarios and test cases review along with bug review. After that, the test lead has to take care about in preparing with build summary report. So what is mean by that particular build, that you will understand. For now, for today, just consider that test lead is the responsible in taking care about in preparing with that particular summary report here related to that particular testing activity. What exactly the testing status, that particular testing report need to be get prepared by the respective test lead. So that is what it was taking care about in preparing with summary report. Along with that, need to take care about in conducting the meeting with team members, because he was a test lead. As he was a test lead, he has to take care about, as he was a test lead, he has to take care about in conducting with the meetings with that particular team members. He has to take care about related to that project related meetings, appraisal or project, whatever it can be related to that particular project. All the different kind of meetings, he has to take care about it. Along with that, the test lead need to come up with in preparing MOM preparation, saying that MOM preparation. So meaning of MOM? Not knowing, huh? Meaning of MOM? You did not heard it, huh? Minutes of meeting. The meaning of MOM. The meaning of MOM, we can say that minutes of meeting. What is the meaning of MOU? Minutes of meeting. See the full form. In the full form itself, I can clearly understand that what exactly mean by that. It is clearly saying that minutes of meeting. That means whenever the meetings has been conducted, in that particular meetings, what are the discussion that have been done? As part of test lead is conducting the meeting. Once the test lead got conduct the meeting, what are the points that discussed in the meeting? Each and every point they need to document in the email. In the email, you need to take care about documenting it. Once it got documented in the email, that particular email need to be get sent to all the respective team members. That is what it has been mentioned. Minutes of meeting, mom preparation. That means what test lead has to do is after completion of that particular respective meeting, he has to prepare one email in saying that these are all the points we discussed in the meeting, and that email need to send to all the attendees who has been attended that particular meeting. For all the people, that particular email will be sending. By that, by referring that particular email, you can understand that what are all the points we have been discussed in that particular meeting. That is what it has been mentioned that mom preparation, saying that minutes of meeting. In the same way, the test lead need to take care about the test plan preparation. So he has to take care about in preparing with test plan. As a tester or senior tester, as a tester or senior tester, you never worried about in preparing the test plan. You are not worried about anything related to the test plan. All the test plan activities are taken care by the test lead only. The test lead has to take care about in preparing with test plan. So in case of the interviewer is asking that what exactly the job role of test lead, or as a test lead, what need to be done? You need to be get comfortable in explaining all these particular points here. This is what you need to be get comfortable taking care about the test lead responsibilities. The one we got tester and taking with senior tester and then taking with test lead. So after test lead, what is the next level? What is the next level? Taking with test manager. So let's take care about the last one, the test manager. So need to be get comfortable what exactly the test manager need to be done. So take care about in writing the heading of test manager responsibilities. Just take care about in writing the heading of test manager responsibilities and make a note of that particular respective points. All the online students also, please take care about that particular heading and make a note of all that particular respective points. What are the people today first session? I'm seeing some new faces. Today very first session. Okay. Just take with the new heading, mention the test manager responsibilities and make a note of that particular respective points. All the online students also, please take care about each and every particular point. Need to be get comfortable. Need to be get comfortable taking care about in all these particular points. Take care about each and every particular point. Take care about all that particular respective points. Done? Online students, is that done? Right. See the understanding. The one we got taking care about the test manager responsibilities. So if we take with test manager, what is the first activity? Taking care about project plan. In case of test lead, it was taking care about in preparing test plan. The test lead has been taking care about in preparing with the test plan. In case of manager, taking care about in preparing with project plan. Not like both are same. Not like both are same. Test plan is totally different. Project plan is totally different. Not like both are same. Test plan taking care by test lead. Project plan taking care by the project manager. So the manager, the test manager taking care about in preparing with project plan. Along with that, taking care about in doing review of test plan. So this particular project manager taking care about in doing this particular project plan and taking care about the review of test plan. That is the main activity. Along with that, what is the second point? Effort estimations here. I mean, because of manager level, he has to come up with in preparing with estimations. I mean, how much time it will take to perform development activity and how much time it will take to perform the testing activity related to that particular whole project, related to that particular whole project. need to take care about in performing that particular effort estimations need to be done. So that is what taking care by the manager in preparing project plan and coming up with effort estimations. Along with that, taking care about the project management. In case of test lead, he was just taking care about only testing team. But because of manager, he has to take care about the testing team along with the development team. The whole project, he has to take care about and managing. That is what mentioning like the project management. Along with project management, taking care about and coming up with training plan. So what exactly the training? What is the training plan? Project training already taking care by test lead. Testing training already taking care by Suresh sir. Then what manager is doing? What kind of training it is? Software training. That project related activities already the test lead will take care about and giving all the information related to that project activities. Then what exactly the manager is doing is, see the terminology. It has been clearly mentioned that training plan. That means as a IT employee, developer, tester or any other, once you join in the IT companies, once you have been join in the IT companies, according to your job role, like fresher level you join or experience level you join, the level of you joined in the company, you have to take care about in completing that company related internal trainings will be there. So according to that IT company policy, it's mandatory that each and every IT employee has to take care about in completing that particular internal training, so that all employees related to that project or all the employees are there according to their job role, what are all the trainings they have to complete in that particular company, that particular plan provided by the project manager. He has been taking care about the manager, taking care about in giving with the training plan according to that particular project, and as part of that company, what are all the internal trainings need to be completed. He was taking care about in giving that particular respective training plan here. So that is what the manager has been taking care of it. What is the next one? Preparing monthly reports. Maximum of the time that particular daily status reports, daily status report taking care by tester. Daily status report taking care by tester. Weekly status reports taking care by test lead. Weekly status report taking care by test lead. That monthly status reports taking care by test manager. Daily status reports taking care by tester. Weekly status report taking care by test lead. Monthly report taking care by test manager. So along with that, because of the manager level, he has to take care about in communicating with client. I mean, as a tester, fresher level, or just an experience of 3 to 4 years as a tester, a very less chances will be there to get communicate with other clients. Most of the time, your manager has been taking care about in communicating with the client and will take care about in updating all the project details. What is the testing status, development status, any issues or any updates, whatever the information related to that particular project, you will take care about in communicating with client here. Taking care about in communicating with the client, along with the in coming up with in preparing that MOM, meaning of that minutes of meeting. So anyone, it's not like only test lead or manager or tester, anyone attending that particular meetings, they can take care about in preparing with the MOM preparation. As simple, they need to prepare one email in saying that what are all that particular points has been discussed in that particular meeting. So we can say that MOM preparation, and then that particular manager taking care about in preparing with that particular status update to that particular core team, nothing but client. The meaning of core team, nothing but client. The manager has to take care about in giving with all that particular respective updates to that particular respective clients here. So need to take care about in giving with all that status updates to the respective client, and he has to take care about in communicating with development team and communicating with testing team here. So conclusion, you guys need to be get comfortable in taking care about what exactly the job role need to be done in each and every level, considering the tester, senior tester, test lead, and taking with manager. So at least you guys need to be get very clear about these particular 4 roles. Then it will make you very clear picture what exactly you have to learn, what exactly you have to prepare. But along with this particular interviews, definitely you can expect with explain tester roles and responsibilities, or explain the test lead responsibilities, or explain the manager responsibilities. You need to be get comfortable in explaining that particular points. Tester, senior tester, you have to explain them with the project because you have to work as a tester. Test lead, test manager, you can't explain with the project because you are not going to do any effort estimation. I'm not explaining any of these points. So how to prepare the estimations, so how to prepare that all these particular activity of manager, we are not worried. That is not our job role, and we will not be worried about how these things need to be done. In case if any of the interviewer is asking that how exactly the manager need to be done, what exactly the job role of manager, you need to be get comfortable in explaining. This is what our very first basic concept in understanding why testing required and taking care about the tester roles and responsibility. So these 2 things you need to be clear on that. After that, we have to come up with in getting started with the very new concept and the main concept, take with heading of that, write with the new heading of that, take with the heading, mention the SDLC. Take with the main heading, first is SDLC. Within a brackets, what you will write? Software development life cycle. All the online students also, please take care about it. Write with the new heading, mention the SDLC within a bracket, software development life cycle. Close the bracket and continue the statement. SDLC real time, okay. SDLC real time process implementation. Write the new heading, SDLC real time process implementation. SDLC real time process implementation. Under that, take with the steps. Under that, take with the steps, requirements gathering, requirement analysis, taking with design, and then coding, after that testing, and then live environment or production. So all the online students also, please take care about this particular step. Write with the main heading, SDLC real time process implementation. Under that, make a note of the steps and take care about these things here. Just make a note of this particular step. What is mean by that? I'll be explaining each and every point. Just for now, take care about this particular one. All the online students also, please take care about these steps. All the online students, please take care about that particular steps. Okay. So for now, we are into the very basic. Just we got to understand the very basic concept in considering that why testing has been required and what exactly the tester roles and responsibilities. After that, we are taking care about our main concept, mentioning the SDLC real-time process implementation. I mean, you guys need to be get very clear in understanding how exactly the IT came into the market, why the IT came into the market, how that IT project will start, what are the different steps it will done, and how it will release into project. I mean, how it will release into live environment. Starting of the project to what are that particular step and how it will release into the market. You need to be get comfortable in explaining all the process. You're not worried about how all the steps are done. Just if interviewer is asking that, explain SDLC process or explain SDLC. When interviewer is asking that, explain SDLC, it's not like just giving the step. Giving the step, anyone will explain. That is not your explanation. You guys need to be get comfortable in explaining with the respective of real-time process. According to the real-time, according to the IT companies, how exactly that particular steps will be done. You guys need to be get comfortable on that. The main one, the very most important one, need to be get understand. So that I'll take from tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll go with this SDLC, real-time process implementation. Once we complete this SDLC process, then we'll take care about SDLC models. After SDLC models, then we'll come up with our project testing. So before getting started with project testing, first we need to be clear about all these particular process wise, need to be get clear about SDLC activities. So I'll take care about all those things here. So slowly as we are moving